So. Your best ISPO story of all time, and do you get laid because you scribble cartoons?
What?
Like, let's go and annoy people at ISPO 2015. So, do you just come to ISPO for the free beer?
Yeah. Yeah.
What else? Jesus. What else do you come to ISPO for?
The cute boys.
Yeah, the cute boys.
Why do you come to ISPO?
Why?
Yeah, is it for the free beer and free beer?
It's for the brands and for the free beer.
Yeah, you said brands. I heard beer. Hi, can I have a Monster Energy, please?
No, sorry.
Can I have a Monster? Can I have a Monster Energy?
No.
Can't get a Monster Energy.
No.
Why not?
Because you want to have a Red Bull?
Oh no.
You should never put your whole nose in the butthole. It's okay to sniff, but we're not canines.
They think they're athletes. They're not. They're just walking on something that was made to strap stuff to a trailer. Slacklining.
Great sport, great athletes, good for the whole body. You have to try it.
Is it not? Is it not a little pointless?
Sorry?
Is it not a little pointless?
No, it's just great. You have to try it right now.
No. ISPO in 3 words.
Fucking red awesomeness.
ISPO in 3 words.
Beer, schnitzel, and tits.
Oh, hallelujah. How do you grow so tall?
I watered myself and ate plant food a lot.
I've been pissing myself all day.
It's a snowboard brand.
From?
Belgium.
Hold on, are you just waffling because you're from Belgium?
Yeah, I'm from France, but...
Ah oui?
Yes.
Ah, c'est pas de mon français. Mon français, les merdes.
Non, ça va, voilà.
Croissant?
Croissants. Yes.
Baguette?
Growing up.
Oh,
Yeah.
Croissants are growing?
Yeah.
Good. Does anybody actually care what people are selling?
Yeah, sure. I'm very interested in new boards, for example. And
Yeah. Huh? Do something cool. You do something cool, you prick. This fucking dude. Hi. Would you like to comment on Robocop 3?
I'll come to you soon.
Nope. So what have you to do with these guys? What did you do?
I was responsible for this very complex, time-consuming graphic of this line here, as you can see.
Yeah, that's great. You're a real Picasso.
Yeah.
Hey, brew, sweet brew. And the running team this year is cats. Anna Gasher's cat. Cat bite, smiley cat. This upsets me more than anything else in the entire planet. Like really, really, really upsets me. What the fuck?